Hello guys, today we are going to be unboxing the triple beam balance. This is an instrument used in a laboratory to balance or to check the actual figure of a mass. So when we want to know the mass of an object, we can use a triple beam balance for that. So I'm going to unbox this triple beam balance and set it up so we see what it looks like. So here is our triple beam balance, and we also have about 3 other weights or masses that comes with this instrument. I'm going to show you where these weights are used. Here is our balance, and here are the masses it came with. So in our next video, I'm going to be doing a demo of how to use this triple beam balance to take measurements of your masses.
Simmyfranks, advancing science, empowering Africa.